naked. I know I look good, look like my father, but
Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are fine. But guys, I'm not fine since few days because of bad throat condition. Please try to understand for that, okay? Guys, today I'm going to show about this reel which you have seen in the preview. Nowadays this reel going viral on Instagram. If you want to try this trend using your photos, so keep watching this video and let's start. So guys, first you need VN application to edit this reel. VN app is easily find on your Play Store, okay? When you open this app, you will get interface like this. Guys, you need 4 photos to edit this trend. To import the photos, click on the plus icon and click the new project option. Select the 4 photos from your phone library, okay? Okay, like this. Now guys, you have to forward from here. You can see guys, you have to take like these photos, okay? Now guys, first delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.60, okay? Now guys, you will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So first you download the reel video from Telegram channel. After that we will extract the audio from that reel. So guys, once when you download that reel, after that you have to click on the plus icon and click the music option. Now guys, I have to click on the plus icon and here you will get extract from video option. Click on this option, select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram channel. So I have to select that reel. Now guys, you have to click on the OK option. Then guys, click on the choose option and have to done from here, okay? You can see your music will be added like this. Now we trim the photos according to music. So first I trim the photos, after that I will tell you the photos durations, okay? So you can see how I trim the photos because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues, okay? Okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. It's very simple guys. Now note the photos durations. So first photo duration you will keep 1.95 second and second photo duration is 1.14 second, okay? Third photo duration is 1.67 second and last we'll keep 0.80 second, okay? So guys, you have to keep the durations like this. Your video will be perfect, okay? Now guys, we have to add the text on these photos. So add the text on here, click on the plus icon and click the text option, okay? Now we have to add the title on here and the title is I know I look good, okay? I know I look good. This is the title and have to done from here. Now guys, you will increase the text timeline till the end of video, okay? Now using the split option and split the text timeline from here like this, okay? Now you have to split from here, click on the timeline and split from here. Now again you have to split from here, click on the text timeline and split from here, okay? Now guys, you have to click on the second text timeline and click on the edit option. Now you have to remove this first text and type here I look better in person, okay? You have to type like this and have to done from here, okay? Now guys, you have to click on the third text timeline and edit from here and remove this text again, okay? And you have to type I look like my father, okay? You have to type like this, okay? And have to done from here, okay? In this way you have to click again fourth text timeline and have to edit from here remove this first text and input the title, which is I am the better version. Okay, last text. Okay, now guys, you can select the fonts from here. Click on this option and select the fonts according to you. So I have to select this font and I have to click on apply to all option, and this font applied to all text. Okay guys, you can also change the color of this text, but I like white color, so I wouldn't change this color. But if you want to change the color, you have to click on the edit option, and here you will get a color grading option. Click on here and select the color according to you. Okay, so select the color and have to click on the apply to all option. Color will be applied all the text. Okay, so guys, your video is completed and now you can save this video. To save the video, click on the export option from top right corner. Okay, and have to done from here. Now guys, you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos editing. Okay, so see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.